Hello friends, my name is Dr. Rajendra Shinde, Associate Professor, Geography. My institute is Vasantrao Naik Govt Institute of Arts and Social Sciences, Nagpur. I am here to discuss topic related to geography, that is interior of the earth. There is big question mark in front of everybody. What is inside the earth? So let's understand the Earth's interior. The figure shows the Earth's interior. Now we will have discussion about the Earth's interior. It is not possible to know about the Earth's interior by direct observations because of huge size and changing nature of the interior composition. It is an almost impossible distance for the humans to reach till the center of the earth, which is nearly 6,370 kilometers. Through mining and drilling operations, we have been able to observe the earth's interior directly only up to the depth of few kilometers, that may be 10 to 15 kilometers. The rapid increase in temperature below the Earth's surface is mainly responsible for setting a limit to direct observations inside the Earth. But still, through some direct and indirect sources, the scientists have a fair idea about how the Earth's interior look like. So there are two sources. First one is direct sources and second one are indirect sources. The direct sources are rocks from the mining areas and the volcanic eruptions, whereas indirect sources are rate of change of temperature and pressure from the surface towards the interior. Then gravitational force is also one of the source, and the most important source is seismic waves. The primary and secondary seismic waves gives us the information about the state of material in the interior. Okay, now we will see the interior of the earth. So fundamentally, interior of the earth is divided into three layers. The first one is crust, second one is mantle, and third one is core. All these three layers are shown in the figure. Now we will have discussion about first layer, which is the crust. It is the outermost solid part of the earth, normally about 8 to 40 kilometers thick. It is brittle in nature. Nearly 1% of the earth's volume and 0.5% of earth's mass are made of the crust. The thickness of the crust under the ocean and continental areas are different. Oceanic crust is thinner, which is about 5 kilometers, as compared to the continental crust, which is about 30 kilometers. Major constituent element of crust are silica and aluminium, and thus it is often termed as Sial. The mean density of the material in the crust is 3 grams per centimeter cube. The second layer is mantle. The portion of the interior beyond the crust is called as mantle. The discontinuity between the crust and mantle is called as Mohorovich discontinuity, or only it is termed as Moho discontinuity. The mantle is about 2,900 kilometers in thickness. Nearly 84% of the Earth's volume and 67% of the Earth's mass is occupied by the mantle. The major constituent elements of the mantle are silicon and magnesium, and hence it is also termed as SEMA. The density of the layer is higher than the crust and varies from 3.3 to 5.4 grams per centimeter cube. The uppermost solid part of the mantle and the entire crust constitutes the lithosphere. One Another layer is there which is known as asthenosphere. It lies between 80 to 200 kilometers. It is highly viscous, mechanically weak and ductile, deforming regions of the upper mantle which lies just below the lithosphere. The asthenosphere is the main source of magma. It is layer over which the lithospheric plates or the continental plates move, which is also termed as plate tectonics. The portion of the mantle which is just below the lithosphere and asthenosphere but above the core is known as mesosphere. Now we will see the last region of the earth which is core. This is the third layer of the earth. It is the innermost layer surrounding the earth's center. The core is separated from the mantle by Gutenberg's discontinuity. It is composed mainly of iron and nickel, and hence it is also called as Nephi. The core constitutes nearly 15% of Earth's volume and 32.5% of Earth's mass. The core is the densest layer of the Earth and its density ranges between 9.5 to 14.5 centimeters cube. The core consists of two sublayers, the inner core and the outer core. The inner core is in solid states, whereas the outer core is in the liquid state or semi-liquid state. The discontinuity between the upper core and the lower core is called as Lehman discontinuity. Thank you.